Happy birthday, Leo, all my lions and lionesses out there. Today we're going to be taking a special birthday message for you. Your birthday season has begun, and we just wanted to see what, is general for your health, wealth, and happiness, and what message the universe has for you, which you can use to have a wonderful year ahead. So let's begin. Let's start your reading and see what the universe wants to tell you for this new year of yours. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Leo gang and send them the messages they need to hear to have a wonderful year ahead for their good health, fabulous wealth, and general happiness. Thank you. All right, Leo, let's begin your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, Leo, this is just a birthday reading. Join us for the next love readings. We welcome you in. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. All right, Leo. So I've got my first 3 cards, which are for your general health. Okay. Bottom of my deck, I have the 3 of Pentacles. I think there's going to be a lot of work that you'll be putting in all spheres of your life. 3 of Pentacles, which is like putting your heart, mind, and soul maybe to create maybe new businesses or working with other people. So it's going to be a very fruitful year from what I see, as this is the general overview of the entire reading. Before I clarify all these cards, Leo, I'm going to start with a Ganesha Oracle card for you. Let's see what Lord Ganesha has for you. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for the whole year. Lord Ganesha, it's my Leo's birthday. What do you have for Leo? What blessing do you have for Leo? Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Leo. Lord Ganesha is heavily thinking. What can we give a lion or a lioness? All right. Okay, here it is. Okay, Leo. So you've got 2 cards, in fact, not one. One is protection and one is priorities. Okay. So yes, if you are working on something, make sure you have your priorities in order, right? Don't go for the overkill. I think this year is going to be full of really focusing on work and making things happen. What Lord Ganesha is trying to say, make sure you don't squander your energy too much. Make sure you are prioritizing the most important things in your life and pay attention to that. And of course, you're deeply protected. The angels are surrounding you from the heavens and taking care of all your new endeavors. So let's put these 2 cards here. And the first 3 cards I have on my table, Leo, are the High Priest, that is the Hierophant, Queen of Swords, and the 6 of Cups. And that's for your health. So I think a few rules might be in order for you, for your health is concerned, Leo. Hierophant and the Queen of Swords are both a bit, when I see these cards, it's like having some rules, some regulations. Maybe you need to go on a diet or an exercise regime or something and stick to it. Let's see. Why is the Hierophant here, Spirit, for Leo's health? Hierophant for Leo's health. Yes, if you've been feeling, yes, you need to take control. You need to take control of maybe overindulging. You have to be the emperor of your own life. Take back control, take back power, look at these 2 cards. They look pretty similar, don't they? Hierophant sitting with authority and the emperor. Yes, if something has been a bit imbalanced maybe last year where you maybe been overindulging or not taking care of your health, I think it's time now to put that sword up and make yourself a vision board. Okay, especially where your health is concerned. Maybe you need to exercise more, like I said, or eat the right kind of food. So a little bit of structure would go a long way. A little bit of rest. Yes, I do see that you need to take a little rest. Yes, I mean, if you've been over pressurizing yourself, maybe you've been on the run. I don't mean physically. It could be your mental, mentally you've been overworking yourself and you've been wanting to think of ways and means to better your life. I think first and foremost, you need to take some time out. Take a little bit of resting time. Okay, put aside a few, maybe an hour or 20 minutes or something, to be totally by yourself alone without kind of concentrating too much on the things that haven't worked for you. I mean, physical health is one thing, Leo, mental health is yet another, right? If something has not worked out for you in the past, the spirit is saying it now, it's time. It's now, you no longer have to keep looking at the past. Oh, this didn't work out, that didn't work out. This year, I think it's time to get out of this mode of regret and sorrow and upset, and even improve your mental health by taking some much needed time out and preparing for this brand new beginning which is coming. You're going to be back in form very soon, Leo. I have the Six of Cups. This is like having childlike energy. Let's see. Six of Cups, Spirit. What's the Six of Cups for Leo's health? Six of Cups. See, leaving all that was troubling you and moving on to a happier, calmer, peaceful place for yourself. You have to have that innocence of a child now to start enjoying life. There's little things. It's almost like, stop to smell the roses now. Look at this little boy offering this little girl roses. So these are small little things that you can do which actually makes you relaxed and happy and free. So leave all the conflict, whatever you feel. Every one of you could have something that you are still kind of stressed about. So make sure you start enjoying your life. I think this year is going to be, Leo, for you to go back into that childlike innocence of appreciating every moment. Smell the roses, basically. Okay? So, yes, keep some structure going, make a vision board, leave the past behind, leave any hurt, any disappointments of the past behind, any conflict that you've had, because when your mental health is affected, your physical health also gets affected. Okay? So, let's see now for wealth. Wealth. Eight of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, and the World card. You're walking away from something, Leo. Something maybe that wasn't working for you in the past, but you're starting brand new, and you're starting something really, really solid. This is like, look at this Knight of Cups. You've got this big pentacle, like this is a coin, right? So we're asking about wealth here. So this is like maybe a new endeavor after not being satisfied maybe of what you were doing all along till now. Maybe this year you'll be starting something, or you'll have an idea, a brand new spark. It's going to be wow, because this is a brand new beginning, a new cycle starting for you where your wealth is concerned. And I had the Three of Pentacles already as an overall energy. So Eight of Cups, Spirit, for wealth, for Leo. Eight of Cups for wealth. Eight of Cups for wealth. Ooh, my God, look at this, Leo. The Star card. All your wishes coming true. You're walking towards happiness here. If whatever hasn't worked out for you, it's all right, because now you're walking straight into your dreams coming true. Okay? Let's see. Knight of Pentacles. What's this new endeavor for Leo, Spirit? What's this Knight of Pentacles? Look at you, piling up the dough. Look at this person, been working really hard and slow and steady. This is not going to be like overnight success or anything, Leo. I do see you starting something brand new, which is going to be stable, which is going to be solid and slow and steady, but this is going to be really solid. This is your own hard work, your own whatever your savings or whatever new project you're doing, you're going to start seeing progress, because I have the Knight of Pentacles, then the Three of Pentacles, and then it goes on to the Seven of Pentacles. So slow and steady progress and building up that pile of wealth that you are walking towards. So what's this World card, Spirit, for Leo, for their wealth? World card. You could be doing something on the internet. You could be working with international people or people from other countries. You know what I mean, right? World is when you can actually, you're not just like a local vendor. You could be selling your work online or dealing with, Yes, and this is going to be pretty easy for you from what I see. It's not, I mean, Leo, whatever you'll be starting now is not going to require too much physical strength. It's going to be more mental, I feel. It's going to be more of speaking, maybe, or sharing your knowledge. High Priestess in reverse. This is somebody who doesn't keep things only within themselves but shares whatever their inner knowledge is. So something that you will be talking about or sharing, and this could be on the maybe you have a YouTube channel, or you could be a consultant to somebody. Whatever this is going to be more of you sharing your knowledge with a lot of people out there, and it's not going to take too much physical strength to do it. I think it's going to be more, yes, and it's going to lead you to so much stability. My God, my lions and lionesses, if you have any plans of maybe building a home or, securing something, this is going to give you a lot of security. 4 of Wands, for wealth. That's a beautiful card to get. This is stability, security, happiness, celebration, and joy. So now let's go on to your overall happiness. Hermit, 2 of Cups, and the Moon card. All right, so why is the Hermit here, Spirit, for Leo's overall happiness? Somebody is really wisened up, or you're actually gone within. Yes, I think you've gone through a huge change in your life, Leo, or you're going to. If you've been by yourself, or if you've been, kind of hiding and being isolated from people, or just kind of trying to understand what to do, where to go, there's going to be a sudden, this is like a tower moment, right? So straight from, being cloaked and hiding in your room and saying, I don't know what to do, life is not that exciting, here it is, the tower is going to blow up. And tower is a good thing. Basically, it means a sudden change is coming, where if you've been trapped in this mental prison, of always being by yourself and not knowing how this life is not that fun anymore, this pandemic going on, and I'm stuck inside all the time. You're going to be cutting these chains this year. This year, you will be flying. No more overthinking, no more feeling bound or chained or stuck or alone or anything like that. You know why, Leo? Because I have the 2 of Cups here. So either somebody very, very special is going to enter your life, where you're going to feel, all right, now I really feel happy because, I'm no longer by myself. I'm no longer in hermit mode. I'm no longer, stuck in my own mind wondering what to do. And when this partnership, or this could be a business partnership, this could be a love partnership, but this is going to make you feel, all right, now I've arrived. I have my, counterpart. 2 of Cups. Where is the 2 of Cups here for Leo's overall happiness? One more. I think, Leo, you're going to be in high demand. There are other people who are also interested in, you're having your attention. But I have a feeling this year, there's going to be somebody, that one special person where you're going to find balance with. I mean, look at these 2 cards, 2 of Cups and the Temperance with the 2 cups as well. One flowing into the other effortlessly. So if you've been having any kind of conflicts or maybe having too many options, or people just in your ear creating conflict where you feel I'm better off alone than be with people who are going to irritate me or going to stress me out, and rather stay with myself. All these kind of people you're going to filter out to choose somebody who's going to make you very happy, very relaxed, very balanced. And the Moon card, Spirit. Oh, it's going to be an emotional experience, I feel. What's this Moon card for Leo's overall happiness? Oh God, my Leos, you better give me a thumbs up right now. Look at this, 9 of Cups. This is somebody who's really, really, really happy. All the 9 cups are full. I am happy. I mean, this row was for your general happiness. And look at this person sitting with their arms crossed and saying, I'm in a good space. So a lot of things I think could be going very well for you because you're getting your financial stability here. You are now renewing your health and your vigor and your exercising or eating right. You're going to be feeling youthful, right? With your stability, with money, and I have the Two of Cups here as well. So of course you're on ninth heaven, aren't you? Or you're going to be, Leo, right? So I think all three aspects of your cards have seemed really good. Overall, what I get is, yeah, Nine of Cups is wish fulfillment, and I have the star here as well for you. So what I'm going to do is going to take an angel blessing card for you as well. Let's see what my angels have for you. So my angels, what do you have for my lions and my lionesses for their birthday year? Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Don't compromise, and forgiveness. If you've been compromising on your health, wealth, or happiness, this is the year, Leo, that you're going to say, I don't blame myself anymore for whatever happened, what didn't happen. I'm going to move ahead and I'm going to now do things for myself. No more compromising for anything that doesn't give you the ultimate happiness. Right? So forgive those who've hurt you. Forgive yourself if you feel, you haven't achieved as much as you would like to. This year, if you play your cards right, which I see you are going to, let's see what this Three of Pentacles is as well. Spirit, why was the Three of Pentacles an overall energy for my Leo gang for their birthday year? Oh my God. Eight of Wands. This is fast communication, fast movement, everything moving in the right direction. So make sure, Three of Cups, Three of Pentacles. Make sure, Leo, this year you are open to communicating. Don't shut yourself off like a hermit, okay? Because when you are communicating with people, okay, in happy surroundings, there may be opportunities for work as well. So make sure you don't close yourself off like a hermit. Okay, so this is going to be really helpful for you, whether it's online communication, whether it's through whatever medium. But this, I do see a lot of fast forward movement coming. It's leading you to a place of a lot of stability. And this is the Queen of Pentacles. Doesn't mean it's a woman. This is not for a girl or a woman. Queen of Pentacles is one character who is not just wealthy, but they are also very loving, nurturing, kind, and things kind of just flower around them. Things just grow. But the advice from what I feel is, please don't lock yourself up in a room. You have to, somehow, even if it's on the internet, try and communicate with people. You will have lots of opportunities for work through socializing. Okay, so put yourself out there, my lions and lionesses. It's going to be a wonderful year ahead, and wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. And I will see you soon. God bless, love and light. Take care. Namaste.